Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve this exercise for the use of modal verbs. So, for the modals, this exercise we are going to do. Okay. Modals के लिए I have already made videos in which the definition of modals has been given, and today we will do exercise. Some set of exercise already has been solved. Today once more with new exercise I am with you. चाहे जो भी एग्ज़ाम हो आपके लिए उसमें ये क्वेश्चंस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. So my dear friend, without wasting our time, we will just come to the point and see what should be the right option. He dash need my help. He dash need my help. तो ये what will be? He will need my help. He will, ये will. You can see a doctor. You will see a doctor. You should see a doctor. You should, ये should सलाह दिया जा रहा है कि भाई you should see a doctor. May I have another mango? Fourth question. God give you peace. May God give you peace. No one can challenge God. 6. May I go out, sir? बाहर जाने के लिए पूछते हैं we will use may. May I go out, sir? Every Bihari can speak Hindi. They may win the match. They would know. They may win the match. You dash take my book for a day. You may take my book for a day. She might get full marks in the examination. You knows who knows what will happen. कोई नहीं जानता कि क्या होगा भविष्य में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. You come whenever you like. You may come whenever you like. Can you lift this box? I thought he might be at home. Thought मैंने सोचा कि उसको होना चाहिए, तो might be at home. You might have told me the truth. We eat that we can live. You must go to school in time. नहीं तो you will be late, otherwise you will be late. So you must go to school in time. The parents should or to must look after their children. You need not come today. You need not come today. Next, question number 20. You need not to beat your wife. You ought not. ये ठीक है. ought not. You ought not नहीं. You ought not. Dare not to beat your. You need not to beat your wife. You ought not to be. ought to ठीक है. it ought not to beat your wife. They must have missed the train. 22. Soldiers should obey their must obey. Must necessity, so must. Soldiers must obey others orders without question. We ought to be kind. 24. Shall I use this pen? Shall. 25. Dash that I wear a bird. May that I wear a bird. He said that he would do it. Past. Said past, so would past. They dare not oppose us. Dare not. Dare. We used to drink. टू है तो used to पिया करते थे. We used to drink. You can go if you walk. If you may go, इसमें may और इसमें can. If you can walk, okay. He may have missed the might have. He might have missed the train. So my dear friend, this is one set for the use of modals, which is important for all the exams. Thank you for viewing. Have a nice day.